Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to be talking about one of the easiest online business opportunities out there, in my opinion, and that is Nexus Rewards. Now, if you're not familiar with what Nexus Rewards is, it is a cashback and savings membership site that gives its members the opportunity to pretty much never pay full price for anything ever again. All right, basically. Now, what makes Nexus Rewards so damn dope is their business opportunity. All right, because they allow you to generate income in multiple different ways. Not only can you get paid from actually using the apps inside of Nexus Rewards, they also have a really cool referral program where you can earn a monthly recurring income just by referring people to Nexus Rewards. And not only will you get paid from the people you directly bring in, you're gonna get paid from the people they bring in and the people that those people bring in, so on and so on. So I really like Nexus Rewards because the earning potential for this online business is absolutely crazy. All right, so you've seen the title of this video, all right, and it said the only way that you won't make money with Nexus Rewards, all right, and the only way you won't make any money with this opportunity is if you don't do absolutely anything. All right, and if that's you, if you're that type of person, I don't even know why you watching this video, right? But if you're not that type of person, if you are somebody that's all about that action, really want to start making money online, you're going to do fine with Nexus Rewards. Because I've got several people that joined and I've seen people make money with Nexus Rewards on my team. And I also see people that signed up and was super excited about the opportunity and haven't done absolutely anything. And I'm just like, damn, that's your loss, right? I mean, because this is so easy. You're actually sharing the opportunity that can help people save money and make money at the same time. So anyone who gets involved with Nexus Rewards should feel comfortable promoting this opportunity. Like, without a doubt, like, you should feel good about being a member, about being an affiliate of Nexus Rewards. So the first thing that you need to do once you become a Nexus Rewards member is actually upgrade and become a premium member for $21.95 a month. Basically $22. And even if you break that down, you're talking about $5.50 a week to have your own Nexus Rewards online business. Now, this will allow you to earn an unlimited amount of money from Nexus Rewards by bringing in referrals. So once you are a premium member, you are all set up. So the first thing you need to do is get involved with the program. Look at your back office when you log in to Nexus Rewards. A lot of people will jump in, they get signed up, and they don't even take 10 to 15 minutes to just look at your back office. Look at all of the tools, all of the information, because you have to remember, this is a real business. All right, so you need to treat it just like that. So after you take a look around your back office, all you need to do is connect the 3 free apps that you're gonna see in your back office. All right, there is a getting started guide when you log in to Nexus Rewards. Go through that video and follow the steps. This video will help you get set up and it'll have you ready to start generating money. So after you finish setting up your back office, the next step is super easy. That's to start using the apps, right? They got the Fetch app back there where you can get paid just for scanning, earning points, just for scanning receipts. They got the Upside app back there where you can start earning money every time you get gas. And they got the Rakuten app back there where you can start getting cash back whenever you shop on or offline. Plus, you can start getting $30 referrals just for bringing people into Rakuten. So now you got all your apps set up, you start using the apps. Now it is time to start building that monthly income just by referring people, right? And there are many ways that you can refer people to Nexus Rewards. I personally, obviously, I like video content, right? I like YouTube. I like doing Facebook Reels, right? A lot of people like TikTok. I don't really mess with TikTok, that ain't my thing, but I do Facebook Reels, I do YouTube, and on occasion, I do a couple, Facebook posts, right? But you gotta find like your style. What do you feel comfortable with? What is a style of marketing that you can do on a consistent basis? All right, you can actually even have a flyer created. All right, I got one right here. You can see it. You can do something similar like this. All right, now with this flyer, you can place this flyer anywhere where there's traffic. All right, and you see there is a QR code on this flyer. So all somebody has to do, go up to that flyer, scan it, and they will be taken directly to your Nexus Rewards presentation page. And the presentation page does all of the selling for you. It breaks down all of the benefits and the earning potential that Nexus Rewards has. Now, like I said a minute ago, this is an opportunity that you should feel comfortable with sharing. So not only will you start generating just some extra income by using the apps inside of Nexus Rewards, but now you can just start with people that you know, right? Think about people you interact with on Facebook on a regular basis. You can easily shoot them a little private message, letting them know what you just got involved with, letting them know, hey, I just saved money, with this new program. Or, hey, I was thinking about you. I know you was talking about maybe getting your bills, getting low. You was complaining about your bills the other day on Facebook. Here's a program I just got involved with, right? You know what to do, right? And it's so easy to talk to people about Nexus Rewards because you're just like, hey, I got this program that can help you save money, that can get you cash back, that can help you make money. And that's it. Doing that will definitely get you some signups to Nexus Rewards. Because remember, people can start as a free member. That's another cool thing about Nexus Rewards. You can actually start as a free member and then later upgrade to the premium. But as a premium member, you're gonna maximize your earning potential because as a premium member, you're gonna get, the monthly recurring income of $10 of referral, and you're gonna be able to earn on multiple levels from their referrals, right? So becoming a premium member really maximizes your earning potential. So in my opinion, the only way that you won't make any money with Nexus Rewards is if you don't do absolutely anything. I am confident, very confident, that you just put a little effort into this opportunity, you will earn some cash. But me personally, I plan on going big with this opportunity because the earning potential is there. I really enjoyed the program, really believe in the program. So I plan on really rocking this. So if you want to get started with Nexus Rewards, all you need to do, of course, is click the first link in the description of this video. Check out the presentation page. Once you see that, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. You should be excited about this opportunity, and all you have to do at that point is get signed up. Now, once you get signed up and become a premium member, I will personally reach out to you and help you get everything set up and help you start building that monthly income. Because when it comes to Nexus Rewards, I'm in go mode.